currently employed by the Pollos Hermanos chain, is that correct?
Yes, I am.
What do you do there?
Shut your mouth.
Corporate security. Yeah. What's that, like, guarding the special sauce?
I got a granddaughter a few years older.
Yeah, well, if I were you, I'd start sending out those resumes. It says here you're a private investigator. Where are you licensed?
Here's your story. You woke up, you found her, that's all you know.
You are not under arrest. Currently. You strike me as a former cop. Am I right? Where at?
How about I describe Fort Knox? And what are you gonna do? Are you gonna put on your black leotard and go dangling on a clothesline? It's a building full of cops. What else do you need to know? And why in the hell am I talking to you?
And I suppose we could talk about